Keep that left hand up real nice. There you go. Keep your elbows out front. That's right. Now don't worry about boxing him so much. I'll fight him as well. They call it boxing if they want, but it is a fight. Good shots, good shots. Nice and hard, Maurice. Nice and hard, Maurice. Give me some power. There you go. Come on, Thomas. You got 2 rounds in there. Step on that right hand, Maurice. Step on that right hand. Keep that left foot on the outside. There you go. That's a good one, Maurice, but where's that 2-3? Where's that 2-3-4 at? That's a good one, but we need 2-3-4. Seconds. There you go. Good, there you go. Good right hand, good left hook. There you go. Yep. Step on that outside, Maurice. One more round. Good work, Colin.